Aside from the Cite attribute, we actually have a Cite element, just as you can see here. I have the text from the Python docs, and the two words Python docs are surrounded by the Cite element. What this is meant to do is to contain the title of the resource being quoted. So that is it. It shows it in that italics format. However, sometimes you actually want it to be a link. Use the href attribute to actually point it to the source of the quote. So what this will do is, of course, we have our Cite Python docs, but is within a link that actually points to the source, so that once it's clicked, the user is taken to the source. So this is the difference between the Cite attribute and Cite element.